Asus is making a strong comeback in the portable PC console market with the new version of its ROG Ally. The ROG Ally X is set to meet the expectations of the most demanding gamers with key improvements in design, performance, and especially battery life. This product is aimed at those looking for an immersive gaming experience while enjoying mobility. With well-targeted innovations, Asus seems to have put all the chances on its side to eclipse its competitors. If you want to find out all the details about this little gem, the links are in the description. Alright, let's get started with a complete analysis. In terms of design, Asus has taken into account the criticisms made on the first version. The ROG Ally X sports a sleek black color, which is much less prone to showing dirt than the previous white model. The thickness has been slightly increased to accommodate a larger battery, but it doesn't affect the overall grip. Weighing in at 678 grams, it's still very manageable, even for long gaming sessions. This console combines aesthetics and ergonomics. The grips have been improved with a textured, grippy surface and higher quality plastic, making it comfortable and stable to use. The buttons and sticks have been repositioned for more natural access, while the D-pad has been completely redesigned to provide optimal precision, especially for fighting games. The triggers now have a more intuitive positioning, making the experience even more enjoyable. Finally, Asus has replaced the iJPU port with a second USB-C port, making the connectivity much more versatile and suited to modern needs. In short, every detail has been reviewed to combine aesthetics, practicality, and modernity. The ROG Ally X features a 7-inch IPS LCD screen, Full HD at 120Hz, providing a great resolution for an immersive experience. Even though it's not an OLED panel, the screen still performs well with good contrast, brightness ranging from 500 to 560 candelas per square meter, and perfect smoothness for fast-paced games. This choice of screen ensures a quality visual experience even in varying lighting conditions. It's also compatible with VRR technology, which reduces stuttering for smoother gameplay. Under the hood, you'll find AMD's Ryzen Z1 Extreme Processor paired with 24GB of fast RAM and a 1TB SSD, a capacity that meets the demands of modern games that often require a lot of space. The compatibility with Armoury Crate SE software allows for complete customization of game and console settings. Audio is clear but limited for high-impedance headphones. Asus provides immersive sound in a compact gaming laptop. This audio system ensures a satisfying sound immersion, perfect for fully enjoying the soundtracks of your favorite games. With this setup, Asus provides a configuration that competes with many gaming laptops, all while fitting into a compact format. In practice, the ROG Ally X excels at managing performance. With its optimized fans and improved thermal management, it stays quiet even in turbo mode, providing a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. The battery life is finally up to par. The 80Wh battery allows for up to 3 hours of intense gaming in performance mode, and even 6 hours for lighter titles. These numbers are really impressive for a handheld console, making you forget the limitations of the previous version. Navigating in Windows 11 is made easier by Armoury Crate, although the OS can sometimes be a bit tricky on a small touchscreen. Fortunately, Armoury Crate offers plenty of customization options to tweak performance to your needs while making it easier to access your favorite games. Use remains intuitive thanks to clear menus and optimized software ergonomics. Finally, the shortcut management allows for quick switching between modes, maximizing the device's flexibility. For gamers on the go, this console strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. In the face of competition, the ROG Ally X stands out for its power and battery life. Compared to the Steam Deck OLED, it offers better customization thanks to Windows 11, but it remains more expensive. On the other hand, it surpasses this model with its more powerful configuration and its storage extended to 1TB. Lenovo's Legion Go, with its larger screen, offers an interesting alternative, but it doesn't compete in terms of smoothness and battery life. Finally, the ROG Ally X outshines the original model thanks to its doubled battery and increased RAM, justifying its higher price. It also represents a better compromise for those looking for a versatile and durable device. It adapts to gaming uses. Its performance and portability make it ideal for demanding gamers. Moreover, its ability to combine design, performance, and mobility makes it a very complete machine, meeting the expectations of the most demanding gamers. This positioning makes it an ideal choice for gamers looking to invest in a durable and high-performing solution. The ROG Ally X is a true success. Asus has met all expectations by improving battery life, design, and performance. With impeccable finishes and a high-level technical configuration, it stands out as an ideal choice for demanding gamers looking for a portable console running Windows. The ROG Ally X is a high-performing, versatile, and durable handheld console that deserves your attention. Although its price may seem high, it reflects the innovations and manufacturing quality offered. If you're looking for a high-performing, versatile, and durable handheld console, the ROG Ally X deserves your full attention. The links are in the description for more information and maybe even to buy it. Every click to purchase through these links supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Be sure to leave a comment to share your thoughts, give a like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye.